All right, so let's continue on with this course in here. So in the past video, I've talked about validation in here. I want to add something that's a little more user-friendly, which is actually adding messages after a certain action. So for example, in here, the user can click on this and add his own post and click save, and his post will be added. And he will go back right here to the slash posts route. That's all fine, but we want to like display like some kind of message for him, maybe at the top of this or even at the bottom of this link in here to tell him that his post was created successfully. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. It's actually pretty simple. All right, so if I go in here at the post part, all right, so right after we insert in here, we're actually redirecting to a route, and this route is going to be the posts.all. In here, I can use my with function, which will actually take on two parameters, all right, a key and a value in here. So the key, it's going to be like some, some keyword or word or a word that we will use later to display the message. It can be, for example, success, like that, and the value, it's the text that's going to be displayed, which can be post created successfully, like this. All right, so let's save the full thing, and right in here we finished the part for the back end. Yeah, it's that simple. So we want to display the message right inside the route that we are going to, which is the posts.all, which simply triggers this route in here, right? So let's go ahead right here and let's catch this flash message. So the flash message is actually set in some kind of session. It's a short-term session. All right, so we can catch it by simply going F like this, and let's go session like that, and actually session like this in here, and let's catch the keyword success that we just sent to this route. So if we catch it like that, let's go ahead and go for a dev class alert dash success. All right, so in here we can type something like here we can actually display the message right now. So we can just go session. If we catched the session, let's go ahead and display the data from it. So we're gonna go in here, actually session like that. All right, and let's display the success, the content of the success key, which is simply the value. All right, and let's simply end this F directive by going end F like that. All right, let's now save the full thing. Let's go ahead in here and try to create another post. For example, here I'm gonna go fifth post, and the author, let's go ahead for the author, and let's go for the content. All right, if we click save, all right, so as you can see in here, post created successfully. We just need some kind of BR right after this. All right, so yeah, the session is actually the session message, or the flash message is being displayed right there. Can also do this for the update and the delete. So for example, right after we delete this, we're going back to the same slash posts in here, but we're not displaying any message. So we're gonna simply do the same thing. We're gonna pick up this, and let's go to the delete right at the bottom, and right in here we're gonna simply send this in. So instead of keeping this success, we might keep it delete. You can put it whatever that you want actually. So in here I'm gonna make this so it will be post deleted successfully like that, and save the full thing. Let's now catch this key and go right also to the all post, because as you can see we're going to this route which simply goes to this view. Right, so if we paste this like that, let's go ahead and copy this code and paste. Let's cut this here, paste it like that, and also we need to paste it in here. So if we catch the key that's coming in to the delete, we're going to simply display it right there. And displaying the key session in here will actually display the value. All right, so let's save. Let's go ahead in here and simply click delete like that. All right, so as you can see, post deleted successfully like that. And let's go for another PR. Let's save. All right, as you can see, that post is actually deleted. So if we click show like that, you're going to see those posts are deleted. Let's delete another one. All right, so as you can see in here, actually the flash message is has a space like above it, which looks nice. And if we go in here, we're going to see that the post is actually deleted. And we can also do the same thing for the update. All right, we can simply copy this and go right above this part, go to the function, and we can send it right in here. We can simply keep the key update and actually update. Now let's make it in here so it will actually be updated like that. All right, save. Let's now copy this. I go right there and let's paste. Let's copy the part where we simply check for the session. Let's go and paste right here. Also right here, and let's save. Now go ahead and click add, and let's go first post updated like that. And if we click update, all right, so post updated successfully, as you can see in here. Now it's updated. So this is basically what Flash messages are. And yeah, this is basically it, and I will see you on the next one.